Hello and welcome to this video in which we're gonna talk about 5 money habits to break this year. We set New Year's resolutions every year, and they usually consist of things we wish to do, such as exercising more. And we've all seen how it goes. You get off track after 2 weeks. Give yourself a break and make a list of resolutions you don't want to keep this year. To help you get started, we've compiled a list of financial habits you'll be happy to ditch in the new year since they'll help you attain financial peace of mind, and who doesn't want that? With a list like this, I'm confident that resigning is the better option. Some of the money habits on our list may be ones you already have and need to break. Don't worry, I can assist you. I might even include some items you've never considered, so you'll be prepared if the situation arises again. So before started, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to do not miss any new video. 1. Stop limiting yourself to the bare minimum. If you're going through a financial crisis or have an unexpected expense, paying the lowest amount due on your bills can be a vital move. However, paying the minimum, and never more than the minimum, traps you in debt, especially if it's on a credit card that you keep using. Your money coach can help you reorganize your budget to prioritize debt payments if you're having problems paying more than the minimum. 2. Stop procrastinating about the future. New Year's Eve is usually spent reflecting on the previous year and making plans for the coming year, but looking ahead several years is just as significant. It's never too late or too early to start thinking about retirement, whether you have a few years or a few decades to go. Even a few bucks saved each month is better than nothing. The most important thing is to get started. 3. Stop putting off making a plan. Many people put off creating a financial plan because they don't know where to begin or believe it will be difficult. There's good news. A budget can become your greatest friend if you have a trusted money coach to guide you through the process. My money coach has revolutionized my view of a budget, says one of your classmates. It's not a torturous slog, but rather a ticket to less stress and a happier existence. To get started, write down what you spend and earn for the next month to get a sense of how you spend your money. 4. Stop putting your money in the same place. Saving money is a popular and compelling desire, but approaching it incorrectly might jeopardize your chances of success. Keeping your savings in your checking account makes it difficult to keep track of how much money you've set aside, and the ease of access may urge you to squander it all. Separate accounts for your savings goals will ensure that funds are available when you need them the most. 5. Stop walking by yourself. The most difficult aspect of achieving goals is attempting to do so alone. At MSA, we believe in working together as a team. We connect you with financial professionals that are dedicated to lowering your financial stress so you may overcome obstacles and achieve your goals. Go on to the next step. Make a list of the things you're going to stop doing in the new year, post it somewhere conspicuous, and hold yourself accountable. Then, choose a money coach who can assist you with the heavy lifting so that your financial goals can become a reality.